Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Home app for Nest Thermostat setup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the App Store on your smartphone. If you have an Android device, locate the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, find the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Google Home. Press the search icon to display the results. Look for the Google Home app in the search results. Tap on the app to open the details page. On this page, you'll see an option to install. Click the Install button to download the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Google Home app. You may need to log in with your Google account. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions for the app. After logging in, tap the Set up a device option. Select New Devices to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Nest Thermostat. Make sure your Nest device is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Once connected, the app will guide you through the thermostat settings. Complete the setup by following any additional prompts. After finishing, your Nest Thermostat will be ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.